Hey, what's up everybody? We're about to go get a new foiler we bought yesterday. Well, actually we went and finalized everything yesterday. We've been working on it all week and it's all done, so we haven't told the boys yet. Reed has baseball practice this morning and then Easton has theater practice, so we're gonna go get it before that, and I'm gonna have to hook my trailer up to my truck, and I'm gonna tell them that we found some deer corn on sale, and then that's why what we're gonna go do before practice this morning. So, and then we're gonna take them to the foiler shop and surprise them. It's kind of the foiler's kind of for the whole family, but they're gonna be super excited. So, but first, you hear the chickens down there. We need to go let the chickens out real quick. Skylar, what are you doing? Let's go let the chickens out. Chickens are ready to come out, eat their breakfast. So, if you don't have 3 kids, one thing about having 3 kids is there's never a dull moment and there's never not a surprise. So that gate goes on those hinges, but it's leaning up against the fence right there. So that's a surprise. I don't know what that is. I guess I'll get the story behind that. I don't know why they took it off. Morning, girls and boys, girls and boy. Well, I got the trailer moved around onto the concrete. It's rained so dang much here the last month or so. I can't get back in there with my truck behind the house to get the trailer out. That's why I use the lawnmower. So we got it over here. I hooked the truck up. The boys are awake. There's Reed. He's getting his baseball stuff out. Gonna get the truck hooked up, go in and help Mom with some breakfast, and then we're gonna go run and get that deer corn. Skylar's always kind of antsy and running around, but we had an incident last night and she's like extra on guard. She was going crazy in the house, and which she does about 4 or 5 times a week, and she thinks there's something outside that's going to get her. So this time I let her out, and she always goes to the trash cans because we get cats that have gotten in the trash cans before, and she was over there barking like crazy at the trash can, and I walked over here and I was telling her, like always, like, Skylar, there's nothing out here, there's nothing out here. And I walk over here and she jumped up on these blocks right here that I have been stockpiling, just like she's doing right now, see her? And she did that, and I walked over here and I was like, there's nothing in there. I raised the lid and there's a cat in there. You see he was down in there chewing on the trash. And that friggin' cat like jumped out, and Skylar grabbed it, and they were all wrapped up here on the ground, growling and hissing, and I was screaming like a girl, and they ran off in the backyard, and Skylar and Gabby chased the cat. We've had that cat around before. I don't mind having stray cats around. It's not like I'm gonna hurt it or anything. It was actually pretty funny. Everybody in the family was laughing. So, but anyway, now Skylar is convinced that cat's gonna come back after she chased it off. So, Skylar, come on, let's go inside. Come on. We'll go inside and see what's going for breakfast. Alright, we're inside now. There's Mom. Morning.
Good morning.
Skylar again. It's breakfast. We got our chicken eggs over here. There's some store-bought ones down there. That's like cheating, but that's what we got of ours. They haven't been producing as much since it's been cold.
Because of the winter months.
Yes. There's Reed. There's Gabby. Gabby hurt her hip last night chasing that cat. It's hard on an old lady running around like that at night.
Oh, I think I see what
Hi, buddy.
Keep going that way, it's fine.
Mom tell you what we're doing this morning?
Yeah, go grab something.
Yeah.
I don't know what it is though.
Deer corn.
Deer horns?
Deer corn. You awake? Wipe the sleep out of your eyes. Wake up. Alright everybody, well we are on the road. Got Reed riding shotgun.
I'm in the back and I got my camera.
Ethan's in the back, he's got his camera, he's making a video for his channel too. If you haven't checked out Ethan's channel, link in the description below.
And so I'm going to an acting class. If you want to look at my channel, the video will be really short because well I didn't have time for the video. Although like if y'all saw I was all like in bed, I couldn't get out of bed.
You couldn't get out of bed?
Yeah.
Alright guys, just exit the highway. Trying to get past this truck right here.
Police down there. No, that's a construction sign. My bad.
Construction.
Okay. The thing is that that construction car looks exactly like a police.
It does, with the blue and red lights.
But it's actually lights. Oh no. Yeah.
Doing construction everywhere down through here.
I knew it. I knew it. I knew you weren't gonna buy corn. I knew it. I knew you were not gonna buy that much corn. That's a ridiculous amount. We are buying. I knew something was up with it. We're buying a like ATV or something. I don't know what we're buying. But I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. Oh my gosh. I'm like, oh, we're just coming to stop right here about this morning. You just did it. Oh my gosh. I knew something was up with it. Okay, I'm so excited.
Alright, so the cat's out of the bag. So we're at Cycle Center of Denton, Easton. Last night, or this week, me and Mom came, we did the paperwork and did all the work, and we're getting a four-wheeler, a new four-wheeler. Alright, we got it loaded up. I don't know why Easton's in the truck.
He's cold.
Hey, you're going with Mom, why don't you get out? Alright, we got it loaded up. That's a new four-wheeler for the deer lease and for the house. Alright guys, so we got the four-wheeler loaded up and we're gonna take it home. It's gonna be a couple hours. I don't know how they can't like handle the fact that it's gonna be a couple hours before they can drive it, but we got practices to go to and then we'll drive it this afternoon to the house. So it's kind of muddy at the house anyway. We may have to wait till tomorrow to drive it.
No.
Maybe next week. It's supposed to rain all week.
You don't always get.
Go down the street. What do you think?
I think you boys are gonna have a lot of fun on it.
I think so too. I'm excited.
They
recording.
Good.
Everybody, thank y'all for watching this video. You stop like a kid. Thank y'all very much for watching this video. We're really excited about having you're like the kids. We're really excited about having a four-wheeler. It's been quite a while since we've had one, so we're gonna get it outfitted with a few accessories. One thing I want to get on it for sure is I'm gonna get a little deal for my garden tractor trailer to haul behind it when we go to the deer lease. Y'all leave in the comments any other accessories that y'all have on y'all's four-wheelers that are coming handy. We're also thinking about maybe getting some attachment for the garden or to do some food plots at the deer lease. So thank y'all for watching. Please hit that subscribe button. We'll see y'all again.